Hey Fauhowers, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy YouTube video link in iPhone. This tutorial is very useful for you who wants to copy YouTube video link in iPhone. Actually, this tutorial works on iPhone and Android. Okay, for the first, make sure that your phone has been connected to the internet. Once your phone has been connected to the internet, just open any browser. You can use any browser here like Safari, Chrome, Opera, or Mozilla Firefox. Here I'm using iPhone, so I will use Safari. Just open your browser. After opening your browser, just tap on the search bar and then just type youtube.com and then just tap go. After opening youtube.com, find the video you want to copy the link. For example, I want to copy this video link. Just tap the video.
Alhamdulillah.
After opening the video, you can see here there are some options. Just tap share button. And you will see the link on the top. Just tap this. The link has been copied. After copying the link, just open any messaging app like messages. Just paste the link here. Here is the YouTube video link. You can use this video link and you can share this video link to your another social media. I hope this tutorial is very useful for you and help you in copying YouTube video link in iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to Fauhow channel and make sure that you have turned on notifications so that you will be the first person I notify when I upload the latest video about digital tutorial. Thank you.